Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you friends? I hope you will be fine and enjoy your life with your family and friends in your home safely. So dear friends, I pray you will happy and enjoy your life and keep smiling always. Amen. So dear friends, let's go the video. I am back again with most demanding and most attractive collection of crochet table cover designs, different color designs ideas in front of you, combination color also for creative ladies who loves to wear such type of collection. I hope you like this collection. Crochet is always beautiful and always trendy. Dear friends, if you want to buy this very beautiful collection, you can contact me on my number and on my WhatsApp number. My number is available in description. We have designers as you can order and get every beautiful crochet material like crochet frock designs, crochet baby romper designs, crochet baby shoes designs, baby sandal designs, cap designs, women cap designs, men cap designs, short gloves, fingerless gloves, women scarf, flowering scarf, bracelet, earrings, necklace designs, and anklet designs, also other things. Dear friends, you can contact me anytime. Very beautiful crochet material have been prepared for you. So dear friends, you can order to get the very beautiful dress designs of your choice. You can get the dress designs from your relatives who live in Pakistan. We live in Pakistan. Always try to bring useful videos, useful content for you. So don't forget to like my videos. Don't forget to share my videos with your friends, relatives, and also gives your feedback in the comment section about the collection. How was the video? How was the design? Keep visiting my channel for more designs, more ideas about this collection. Now goodbye till the next video. See you soon with new collection.